Got an XLTX file and Excel seems confused about how to handle it? This is a template file designed to generate consistent spreadsheets, and it works a bit differently than a regular workbook. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use and edit these Excel templates. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your XLTX, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. XLTX files are Microsoft Excel Open XML template files containing pre-configured spreadsheet layouts, formulas formatting styles, and structure definitions. They serve as reusable starting points for creating new workbooks with consistent formatting calculations and data entry frameworks. XLTX template files use the Office Open XML ZIP-compressed package containing XML worksheets, shared string tables, style definitions, theme data, and relationship files. Templates differ from XLSX workbooks in their file header, causing Excel to create new workbooks rather than open the template directly. The ideal software for creation and opening of XLTX is Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Corporation. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows may show the file, but cannot process its internal logic, requiring Office tools for full use. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature, right-click the XLTX file, and hit Open With. Test Microsoft Excel if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, creating new workbooks. Double-click the XLTX file to create a new Excel workbook based on the template. Excel opens a fresh copy with all template formatting formulas and structure applied, but leaves the original template unchanged. Save the new workbook as XLSX to preserve your entered data. Next, editing the template. To modify the template itself, right-click the XLTX file and select Open instead of double-clicking. Excel opens the actual template for editing. Make changes to layout formatting or formulas and save to update the template. All future workbooks created from it inherit your modifications. Finally, deploying templates. Copy XLTX files to Excel's Custom Templates folder, typically at C Users, Username Your Documents, Custom Office Templates. Templates placed here appear in Excel's New Document screen, under Personal Templates for easy access by all users on the machine. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.